Hello everyone, and I hope you are doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Carlos, and here's what will be on the lineup from November 24th to November 30th. Varsity swimming will be having practice starting at 5 p.m. this Wednesday at Far Rockaway campus. And varsity boys basketball will be having their first game of the season at Monday at 5 p.m. located at Informational Technology High School. Be sure to wish them a strong start to the season. Now let's go ahead and push this information to the side and talk about middle school. This Tuesday, there will be a Turkey Bowl soccer tournament taking place throughout the school day from 9:30 to 1:30. And now, make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at scholarsnyc.com. So you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholars Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report for this week. I am Carlos, and I'll see you next time.